Yacho. Mebo akwa badeba. Afidikesi iso. Nyame ya adom. Wadi akyeye. Techrema da bodwie mu di mu afrisane. It is a beautiful Saturday evening. You're highly welcome to this wonderful channel. Baby, I will be am chow. Unya live telecast here, no ashama. I'm sure mu nyina. On Saka live telecast here, no share mami. Bibi abokodi. Oh my goodness. Augustina Aqua. Hey, okay. Bibi abokodi. Ukunu ho ye. Mechio bibia Mr. Henry. Champion, I salute to Doreen Sewabref. Obaso Anwa Shaman. Stella Champion. Stella net say. Bibia Boko. Bibia ubia mechiachia. Unya live telecast here Anwa Shaman me why wadaroma. Na oboabo ahon so na me piki feed ni wa ha sei. Obala ne so a na ma hu se wo so. Bishop Belinda Brown. Obaso ana ma hu me piki feed ni wa anti. What in a share mami na enyefe. Okay, right, maybe Michael Champo Ebenezer Ohini Techi mechia mu nyina Doreen to say bibi aboko enkwala no ye odifo OPATAFUOR mechia mu obaso anu ma hu se wa baso afi no wa prepare a question no dear ya na dear ya Schofield champion to say Reverend Tinedu Mr. Justice Osafo, oh champion, I salute you. Gladys, and say Vida, and to say Pastor Shadrach, and say Bibi Aboko, Alice, and to say Carl, and to say Esiama. Okay, Michiachi will be Amata Canada for what to say. And Adjoa will be a boa. Be away. It's young Kwajo Apia Asante. Kwajo net unwe. Samiri kura abose wo mo na wanya bibie didie. Me de enwumere Manya aduane ani ma ayɛ sɛ mewia no mɔkakɔpɛ ayi dɔkono bi anaa gari bi ahono adi Faustina J yɛde sɛ biribi abɔkɔ Lord Mensa Loga yes sir salute okay yes Mr. Victor salute you sir. You can bring in your question as usual. You should understand what I mean. Bitcoin or say, Papa, please, if a person has the Queen of Heavens, Gina, too, okay, in him or her, can the Holy Spirit still dwell in that person? How come? Can you serve two masters? You can't serve two masters. Obey then what catch them say, we are comfort, or say soft, what did that? Obey die or comfort, no as I or soft. Ghana had nipa baako pɛ ne ma hu sɛ ɔyɛ saa deɛ ni bi a ɔyɛ kɔnfoɔ ɛsa yɛ sɔfo Ghana ha nipa baako pɛ ɛne ma hu sɛ ɔyɛ saa deɛ ni bi ɔyɛ kɔnfoɔ saa yɛ sɔfo ɛnti saa na teɛ fa wɔyi bra fa ayi o question bra me ba tɔ me twɛn wɔ anim o mbɛtumi de mo question aba obɛyɛ dɛ ne wasom awura mu mmienu ɛdan a obɛyɛ devoted to one then you use the other as a cover up nti we bi wɔ mo a obɛyɛ sɛ osum nyame but nyame na osum no ontumi nsum awura no mu mmienu ɛdan a ubedi no kura ma baako na baako deɛ watwa ne ntoro saa ne te nti mpakyɛw ubetumi de question na ba why my crowd okay I say papa do you remember suffer comfort am wa me mpakyɛw why then Ronnie Joseph he says I'm going to learn to speak Twi. You always enjoy this live telecast, right? Quadrupia, he says, Papa, 2 p.m. and no chop. Are they? Quadrupia, are they? Area unity. I say, AJ here to be Siana. I say, please, Papa, if someone dies, will you still go and meet your families after death? Meet your family in what essence? Can you please throw more light on your question because I don't get what you're trying to tell me. Or she will be who have a kakoshi wabushi. Say. Me tell your partner. Panda was saying he was comfort and suffer. It was never true. Anybody who is comfort and at the same time a pastor is a total criminal person. You need not to tolerate such people. You can't be a fetish priest or a priestess and still claim to be a reverend minister of God. It doesn't happen anywhere. Bring your question. You can never be a pastor and at the same time or comfort. There is hardly with the being sida. Oh, make sure question wait to be about why. Intention. Papa, please, what does the 24 elders do in the kingdom of Yahweh? The kingdom, the great Yahweh does not permit us to talk about the 24 elders. That is why from generations to generations, when you read Bible, you could see clearly that all the prophets who came to the scene, God with it, in his infinite wisdom, didn't reveal much about the 24 elders because they carry something that is beyond human comprehension. So with the issues of the 24 elders, with the little that I know and what has been handed down unto me, I am not permitted to talk about them. If not, the minimum no enka meka kire mu but enye permitted wa wadaro ma mesro 80 wadaro ma what else again? We have some question here from hello daddy, is your girl Martha? Please daddy, what is come to this world? The musician daddy Lumba died this evening. Please teach us about this guy. Who this will be a normal thing. Okay, what else again? If you have any question, you can just pop in your question, and I will be very grateful to answer your questions. In heaven, are we going to recognize our family members and friends when we were on earth? If only the person is very fortunate enough to have to go to heaven. So nipa no owu na se owo nkwa de a ene obetimi ahia no na no kura no so e depend se maka tro se heaven na ye ka no enye nipa baako te se e bia ye nyina ye wo bro no baako so ati ase enye se ye bia ye nyina ye wo bro no baako so na ye nyina ye wu a yes ye te ashtown ye nyina te cantonment ye te airport there be that nti se obi obaka tro se sa na ti bi opoa there were dimensions ebi mu ho mbeko Abraham kukum ebi mu so nko Abraham kukum ebi mu ho mbetwam Abraham kukum. If you understand what I'm saying. Katie says, are you from Botswana? No, I'm not from Botswana. I'm from Ghana. Okay. And you be Abraham kukum. Yeah. Ibu also Obeko David Krum. I heard the New Jerusalem, which is purported for every believer. Yeah. You will be also so. Well, mama nka secret too much. Odi amfa de makana. Okay. Enti Mr. Victor Saneti champion. Obia obabi owu obeko obia won the dimensions. Nti say opese see we me pese me wu a me share OPATAFUOR. If you want to meet me or stay in exactly where I will stay then I was say oba me dimension him. What do I say? And I say yes, so that you can be visited at any time. Kofi say, please, Papa, Elohims and the 24 elders, are they the same? They are somehow the same. I say, I salute you, Papa. Please, how can someone who has the Spirit of God and doing greater works for him can still be tormented by totem? Oh, and there, it doesn't matter. Obetimi aye nyame nipa enso na enkonua da so na agina ye friend totem tormented. Eno de emfa. It depends on the hierarchy of that particular set totem that you are talking about. So it doesn't matter. You can be a man of God whom God is using to perform miracles, signs, and wonders, and still you'll be tormented by demons. Unhu nyankopon asofo a omoye nyame nkrofo a omutimi bompa ye nyankopon ma hoto wo mo wo yare a ho beto enso ne ho kire no na wo hia e ya adepa wo hia honhom e tumi bone unhu bi da sa na tie na enye bibia na awo ho ahoden ye won krofo bi wo ha won ma me nkyere wade bi ye won krofo miensa bi ewo asase we so abrabo na ye namu no ye wo nipa miensa ewo asase we so ye wo omo a omo misa ye mpo na urade de ama wo omo ye wo omo bebusa but omo musa ye mu mpo no ebi anyame de bema omo ebi anyame so mfi wo omo ene ye wo de ofiri soro oba asase we so no na ne niyama nyina ka no ho what you say edi obi betimi aye osofo obebusa nyame mfi no obi soso ye asoreba oye elder omusa ye mpo na nyame de ama no ye obi wo so ofiri no soro ba no na ne niyama kura no metima ma biblical example obi to say Yahushua a na ye friend Jesus Christ ofiri soro ba no na ne bibia kura no de ba be nante asase so eno wo ho so ye wo nipa bi te say eye Moses o misa ye mpo no ne nyame de ama no o de adwene ne mindset ne tie sanity enti obi wo ho a nipa na ye wa asase we so no emfa wo say wo ye sofo enso still ahohomoni betimi adi so no mo how adentia empanyin say ensin wo hoyi omogoro atipen ma me musa wade bi o kenkan Zechariah chapter 3 a na o kenkan eye Jude chapter 1 verse 9 a o kenkan sa quotation e be ka kire wo say abra Michael ehun eye Lucifer abra no mo pre e wo Moses emu no ho no Michael anka asambone amfa ntia eye Lucifer na mu o ka kire say osoro agya Yankopon Jacob tumfuo entwi wanim adenti no one torment Lucifer adenti no one curse Lucifer ontimi curse because oni say to me no what you say Michael oni say to me no betimi dia yes adwuma no so person o curse Lucifer and o person o torment Lucifer dia age so sakọ ekọ ka kire panyini na ono Michael ehye na se no ye wo panyini bi pa o heaven wa na se na Michael hye age so okọ ka kire no na Michael amani to me what you say na o mama Michael to me ansa na watimi dia be confront yes Lucifer no into okoye no he went there because he was sent say onkonkofa Moses emuni famra onkoje ne kra famra nemum ya mana hoden say oni Lucifer enkonkoko sanete enti sa wo hwesa story we dia then it should tell you say abrabono ana in the realms of the spirit we deal with hierarchies. It doesn't matter you being a man of God. Let's assume you are operating with an ordinary angel. When you read Daniel chapter 10, go to the Bible and read Daniel chapter 10 verse 13. You could see clearly that when God dispatched the angel Gabriel to bring response to Daniel's prayer, the answers to Daniel's prayer, which was bestowed upon Gabriel, the archangel, was hijacked and intercepted by one of the prince of Persia. So this alone should throw more light and give you the clue that in the realms of the spirit we deal with power, authority, and hierarchies. In 2 years of war, bia oye oni abofo nkwala bi nanam so ati ase eti no ye hyiawo a Nyankopon kase ana bonsam untimi mfa wo abofo nkete no busa ho say adentina the archangel Gabriel went to me antia the prince of Persia busa ho say sa to me na no hwe Persia so no oye mapoma no emu baako adentina Gabriel antimi antia because oni ho ahodi it is say we osofo na oni abofo a omoti say Gabriel na namo a untimi megina memani enka nkyerɛ me say oso ye sofo oso nyame nsa wo oso nti wo me bepre metimi asel osoro onka hwe because in the kingdom of God power recognize power, we respect authority. What you say and the first will trim sir okay I said people Bible says we shouldn't think about what to eat because it will be provided. Why should we worry to work? Osema mo nwenwe de mo bedi hu enso ade ntine ye adwuma ɛne yɛngye nyame anum asɛm no ndie na ɛma yɛnyɛ adwuma nanso ɛnyɛ saa na tie saa asɛm no a ɔka no the opposite of kyerɛ say Jesus was trying to tell the people the sovereignty and the total control and the power of how the great Yahuwah is. Why? Because opposite of kyerɛ say odwene na obrɛ ho kora na sɛ wonyɛ yia na emi Nyankopɔn tiri mu pom sɛ obɛyɛ yia woyɛ dan a wonyɛ yie da saa na opposite of kyerɛ enti wo sɔre anopa na woyɛ o plans ebi te sɛ daddy lumba ye nua ya wawi ye papa ye ofa ebi bia ya wawi ebia na woni tirim say this year kura no be release album but enye Nyankopɔn hihie mu nti wonso weda hokɔ saa na pese bicho edi Nyankopɔn pese o kyerɛ sɛ e ma mo nwunwin de mu bedie ho ne kyerɛ sɛ e ma enye ho sɛ o sɔle a wo ye bank manager wo ye lawyer wo ye judge wo ye you can say accountant and I say who own a chain of business conglomerate and now bibi sentino wo de no eye ho akesesem say ase enkwa na ewo mu no eye wa wo dia eni nti wo hia Nyankopɔn bibia so what you say na usuku a wakɔ nyinaa no ene wabrabo a wabɔ nyinaa no wodi agora ne nyame ka so obegye okra afiri nsɛm a obegye saa na nyame pɛ so otre nipa na no nkyerɛ sɛ osɔre a onkɔ adwuma nyame nka mo Robert Donko, see if you dream that we are not dealing with dreams, sorry, it's a question. If you have questions pertaining to the kingdom of God, you can bring it. Now, what else? Panda says, so how can one access the power to access anything he or she has not asked for? What is the price to pay? You see, sometimes some of you people, you have that zeal, you have that taste for power. But you see, the question in here is that when God gives you the power, can you take very good care of it? Can you pay the price for it? Obi wa openya me to me. Obi catch them and say, Odifo OPATAFUOR. People say, Aduma chedi wo so de bi ba me so. And I'm say, enye din. It is easy to say things like that. But are you ever willing to pay the price? Abuade. If you say ope say die kura me no. Ope say nyame ma obia. You must be tested. A faith that has not been tested can never be trusted. A faith that has not been tested can never be trusted. It's like somebody telling you, Papa, I love you. When things are moving on well and you are living the better side of life, you can easily tell people that you love them. But the authenticity and the genuineness of your love will be recognized when the said love that you have proclaimed is able to stand the face of adversity. So what you say, easy say ushia oba, ushia bema, utimi kacheme de say, I love you. Easy. Name say, I love you now, okay. Say no kra. Abra amanie any or how ne kwadana abano. Any yebehunu say yampa me yere odome. Any yebehunu say yampa mi kunu odome. Ana me boy, ana me bay, ana me nue odome yampa. So de tie no. Enu ntinu adoma chede na ya na mo hwehwe no. Wo ye sure say obetimi akura adoma chede no. Wo ye sure say adoma chede no tumi ni inshira na o hwehwe no. Wo ye sure because yen make OPATAFUOR. Obi a wo ye Nyankopɔn ba bia. Enye Jacob tumfuo na tete wo. Obi a wo ye Nyankopɔn ba bia no Jacob tumfuo ntete wo. Enti me enye Jacob tumfuo na tete me. The cassette entity as yen say, ete se wa wo ba na wo de na ko school na school bi tete no osori anu abafie wo na utua school fees wo mu anu akosara akora no but e school mu hofo na tete no omo na ye exams testing hu se o ya ade na adwene no ya adwuma o was retentive memory no to recollect every data to omo outfit to akwala ni nyina obetimi a record my social studies, my integrated science, my biology, whatever. San church we nyina no. E school mu ho na be test no. Enti me enye je komtumfo ene training me. They will training me was as we so obi a oye je komtumfo doba e bia oye na koma bia no. E Lucifer ene tetew. Obi si yes. Enti why a crowd say Lucifer training? Say Lucifer so training wa or mene obe mene entire body or mene entire body na obe kokoto Lucifer yam. Now obe start afri ni tiri so waba ne kon waba ne yam waba ne sirem ne nan esi form ansa na wapie afri wo won to apie eti one ko school kura wo nyame anim no ebe take you 7 years and now 8 years and na exams bia obe twra obe fail bia no obe sa throne of death e wo nyame mu eti said ye wo twra exams awa fail no sa na tie ansa na we are ya be graduate. It is in the Bible. What you say? It's not like the way I'm Mosolia. Ubia kran in the home a craving for the kingdom, the power of God. But yet, untimi nyina enso hwano. Untimi nyina enso hwano. Say, okay, kind Bible beka chiro say, okay, kind Matthew chapter 4. Or say, na obonsam edi Yesu eko esere so kohwe ne hwe eko so ne hwe edadia 9 tieni o. Or say, obonsam edi Yesu eko esere so eko so ne hwe edadia 9 meboa. Now 40 years no in the realms of the spirit no Yesu eko school for a year 4,000 years. Yesu ko school 4,000 years. He wrote exams. I will say, okay, kind a year, Mammy be a Bible, na me chere mo ade. And you maybe wo ha mususa ni kwa sa me ka chere mo. Mo ye nkwala, afi no masisi nyame mu a. Mo now me pacho wo line so abi Matthew chapter 4 na me chere mo ade kitu abi chiro o kenkan o say Yesu nsohwe Matthew chapter 4 verse 1 me pacho mumientu o mame Matthew chapter 4 Matthew asempa 839 good. Okay, enuniye me kenkan munye steady na muntie me kire made bi munye di na muntie. 1 Matthew chapter 4 verse 1 downwards. Or say ena honhom no di Yesu ko sere so se obonsam enkoso no hwe na odi imuada adaduanan awia ne anadwo akire no ekom de no ote now Yesu twro exams kesiye okodi 40 days into 40 days spiritually no Yesu ekodi 4,000 years ewo sunsun eko tenase ema Satan test no exams eye ni bibia wie ekunu se wei osefata se ye hye na nimonyam ansana onyankopon ede wo soro eni asase eni emu adediduo ni emu nhira nyina ema no ansana Yesu eto aso se otimi ye nyame adwuma me kodi eye 7 years no uni masechire me kasa me kire wa me di 7 years e wo bonsam nsam eno nkire se me kosum tumi bi ana bibi but the tie de se onyankopon eto asawram se twini kase ya to asawram which means onyankopon emma wo nchen ne mom bonsam ene betetew obehaw obema wa mane obefa yaw ohaw bebrebe mu ansana se bonsam eso hwe na wantimi ambre wasea ansana je komtumfo yi nani etese wakoto sekan se opese sekan no ano ye na ma okose enti obi a oye Jacob tumfuo ba bia no anase ye type we ye nipa ban we no ye endorse e wa asase mu na every dispensation bia no ene Jacob tumfuo so ma ye ba na ye ba wiase na anya se ye ba ye na nyankopon asese tumi ne kura ye na ya hya ase we pay the price unse enra me can say me kire am say I have paid a price for everybody who will come to me. I have paid the price for everybody who is very serious and wants the power and the glory of God. And it is beyond you people. Forget about these inspirational speakers. So I am teaching you the realities of life. Now, Mami Chirawadiri. Oh, see, this is serious. Yes, of course. It is very, 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 very serious. Now, verse 2 was it na odi imwada ededianan ewiane anajo akire yi ekom de no. Verse 3 was it na nsonhwefo no ba ne nchen be se no se sa woni onyankopon ba na kasama aboyi enane pa no tieni o the first exams of ye can say Jesus eno no o se sa woni nyankopon ba na kasama aboyi enane pa no na Yesu se watwere se enye paano nko na onipa nam so betena ase na imom asem biara a efiri onyankopon anumu ba no wate ase afei tienie first exams that Jesus wrote was about aduane unim de ntia de tie ne se obi wo ha wo ye sofo obi wo ha wo ye asori panyini or your elder, or your deaconess, or your deacon, or your youth leader. Nyamijuma na oye any Jacob tumfuo echina odino. E kom di ni kitwa bia na wapaw ni nyankopon. E kom di ni kitwa bia na wapaw ni nyankopon. Ye wo mumu bebre e kom ntimi nka no kore. Ye wo asofo a e kom na di wo mo e wo nyamijuma ni munti. Say politician krama just 10,000, just $50,000 on tibin kano correct. On kano correct. Or ye sofo, or ye bishop, or ye dear bay. And so on kano correct. No kura enten because of a dianinti. Anything was see a dianinti men say on yankupon ejuma. Ye will be or ye sofo, and so fasting crown to me. Obi a wo se wo ye sofo no fasting kora wuntimi nyebi enti e wo se nyankopon ma ye so wo hwe aduane ho enti ye koso Yesu hwe se aduane nti ompawo ne papa na unim ekom a adeye unim yawa ye fam unim ateti a ye fam ekom ye kasa ekom adie pa pen ye nyamedwuma ekom timi di mi bia 4 days 5 days 7 days na minidi na Lucifer anopa awia nwumre na odameso na osori a anopa no aba me ho oda so di Jacob tumfu achi ekom na beku o amane na beku o wodi edi nachi emedi machi ala na ye moawo ni ye mawaduane ni Lucifer etimi noa jollof otimi di jollof otimi di banku ni okro stew fufuo ene ade papa na odi aba enya spiritual physical life bi o ha won say metikoko ase ekom timi di mi bi aba 2 days na minidi na ensuo nko ana manom na maye ha etimi nam koko na se abo se Lucifer no aba na aduane kura no gidi suo sa amane we nyina no nyankopon ne jaw ho ema Lucifer e test wo ema yehu se eye no kure ubetimi agina ama awurade yewo asofo bebra oma hwiase oma bamu abu yewo musicians bebrebe oma hwiase oma bamu abu adentia aduane nti omo didididi enkrofo a omo hwie moja agu a omo nsa ewo moja ena musicians yidi omachi otodwom ede hoahoa obi a waka nipa odi bim what you say oka omo todwom de hoahoa nipa waka nipa odi bim moja atoagu ye wo bebra edo omo wo manyame no ano adwo adentia because ekom odi omo wa brabom ontimi ntua ne light bill ontimi ntua ne school fees ontimi ntua ne water bill enti sister no onka no kore bra no so onka no kore saa niema we ye de test ogidi ni enti na omo de di Yesu no. What you say? Ni nyina mafamu ya nye urade amada ma nyi Jacob tumfu amada. I have never betrayed him. If those who knew me from scratch, if they are to tell you how I began life and what I've really gone through life, you cry, you'll be shocked. But yampa urade da ye da su jinam bepimne e jane dere, whether money or no money, still we keep the fire burning. Into ubetimi osu pese urade nya okese ubetimi aduane ho kura mpontu ntimi nka no kore. First exams eye aduane enti wa check hwe se won faili wo aduane ho a verse 5 osina obonsam te ne kokro nim na ode ne kogina asorfie atifi na ose no se woni onyankopon bo na onyankopon ba na to ho atwene fom na watwero se wunti obehye na bofo na wabesoa won sam na wanfa wo nan ampembo. Another exams no na verse 7 was na Jesus say no say watwero biem say enso awurade onyankopon enhwe. This is another time, another exams that Jesus wrote. We so ye enso hwa o kristoni obi opese nyame do ne biara obetwero wo ho a wo se thought bi ebeba utiri. What you say thought bi ebeba utiri se obi timi di watem se wo se ye kristoni nyankopon ni wanka hwe wabrabo hwe watale hwe de wabrabo aye wo ho osere de unyam sumponi nyame na atua woka saa nyema we nyina yekeka de kire ebi na oka kire Yesu no osisa wo ye nyame ba na to ho obi timi di wata no aka kire wo se wo si nyame na afre o pa wo si wo tumi pa ye bibi mi enhwe na wo atwa wo mpoa na wo di watam se wa anya ni bibi na wa nka hwe a na wakogina baabi se oboa oni hwe wo ya azan wo ye this saa eniema we nyankopon ma ne bawso obi timi di watam no aka kire se wa pu ye sofo wo ye de ye sofo wo ye hwan wo ye sofo a ye bibi mi enhwe se udi na no asem no na okoya ono ni tumi na atinimu no watumi dia commande. So what you say se ubeka kire opatafo se opatafo wo si wo ye sofo a ye bibi mi enhwe a I don't need to do something to prove anything to you by obeying your commands. You can't control me and you can't compel me or you can't command me. Se me feel say meyen senkyereni a awosame na meye enya wo na ube gina ho aka kire me say wo si ye bibi wo tumi pa ye bibi mi enhwe saa ne ma we eye abufusam ene ahomete yesem ye kani nyina de kire wo Kristo mu ye bo Kristo asum omo hwi Kristo asum sofu panyini baako ehwi Yesu asum on ni bodyguard ehwi Yesu asum ena om ka kire se eyampa se we ye nyame ba onye bibi mi enhwe ni nyina no ye ka ede ma wo hu na mpacho saa ateti we no ubetimi atworo ho exams. Do you know what you have been through? Do you know the nonsense that people have said to us? The disgrace and sabotage that we have gone through from our own family, for the loved ones, the people that we sacrifice our time, our energy, and everything for. One more obi wo ha no owu ni ede ne ba wo nanse e na obo mpa ye ma no onya oje saa nipa we ne ho ya de dia no se edi watem saa mane we nyina wo betimi agina no ofi say ye easy we be see me person to me na wo so no e bi ba me so no masere. Now verse number 8 or say na obonsam fa no biem ko be potintini bi so na ɔkyerɛ no wiase ahinie nyinaa ɛne emu animuonyam na ɔse no sɛ wobɛkoto asɔre me a anka mede yenum nyinaa bɛma wo ɛna Yesu se no sɛ firi hɔ Satan na watwerɛ sɛ kotosɔre w'Awurade Onyankopɔn ɔno nko ara na som no tie ne o verse 11 na ɔbonsam gyaa no hɔ na hwɛ abɔfoɔ ba bɛsom mu no afei wote aseɛ. The last exams that Jesus wrote in the hands of the devil was about the luxuries of this world. Unim asɔfo a na ɛdɔ Nyankopɔn na ɔmo pɛ Awurade asɛm ɛnso ewiase afɛfɛdeɛ wei da Land Cruiser wei da Range Rover ɛno nti minna bi mu ɛnɛ yi soso woyɛ sɔfo na uni car uni sika obi ambu nyame nsa wɔ so kro obi amfiu wate aseɛ enti asɔfo a ɛda kaa mu wɔn a asisi fia kɛseɛ ɔmo tete East Legon Cantonment Airport Kumasi de nyame ɛne adeɛ over 98% ɔmo aka mogya atu agu ebinom agya Nyankopɔn hɔ akɔ Benin ama yɛde ɔmo ato efunadaka mu abari wɔn 2 days 3 days ebi abari wɔn 14 days wɔn akɔtete wɔn tɛkyerɛma so wɔn atete wɔn kwan akyi wɔn atete wɔn nsa ha asɔfo a wɔn akɔbobɔ tattoos ɛde agugu wɔn ho asɔfo a wɔn sɔre a wɔn ne ɛyi abosom wɔn wɔ abosom ɛhyehyɛ wɔn mpaase Ghana ha yɛwɔ asɔfo bebrebe a wɔn wɔ abosom ɛhyehyɛ wɔn mpaase asɔfo akɛse a ebi bishop wɔn gyinagyina TV so uhu na wa pretendi but uhu ne da agye sɛ Jacob tumfuo bie wani wɔwɔ bosom ɛhyɛ ne mpaase a wɔyɛ sacrifice ɛde ma no asɔfo a ɛnu mogya asɔfo a ɛde virgin ɛna yɛ asɔre asɔfo a wɔn nom nsa wɔn yɛ akɔhwensafo a wɔn hyɛ dan mu a wɔn bura no wɔn ada uhyia asɔfo anano na ne mfono ne bibi akyerɛ sɛ wɔyɛ kɔhwensani enso wɔba abɔnten a no wa pretend saa asɔfo wei nyinaa no saa exams wei wɔn afeeli ewiase afɛfɛdeɛ na wɔn ne nam na wɔn yɛ akɛsesɛm na yɛbɔ ne din Reverend Dr. Bishop Diebe Apostle General Evangelist Prophet Dr. Yihuahwan ni ebo mu din akɛseɛ wɔn pɛ baabi a mpanyinfoɔ tenatena nti wɔn de wɔn ho afra politicians a wɔn nam nduro so yɛkyekyekye nkwalaa etwitwi wɔn ho mogya ekunkum wɔn nti ewiase afɛfɛdeɛ ebi kura udi saa asɔfoɔ ni bi akyi enso ntimi ngya na akyi die sɔfoɔ a ɔyɛ ɔpretendi ni enipa ɛhyehyɛ ho ɛhyɛ da bɛhyɛ de nkɔm etwa de to TV so da nipa ɛma nipa hu sɛ ohu adeɛ enso ɔboa asɔfoɔ a ɛbɔ nipa paa ɛma ɛyi ɔmo bɛgyina puppet so edi adanseɛ na unim asɛmsere yɛ kura ɛwom yɛwɔ asɔfoɔ a ɔmo firifiri ensɔle mu a ɔmo timi ka sɛ ɔmo kɔ evangelism saa evangelism na ɔmo kɔ no ɔmo kɔ a na ɔmo asesa ensɔle ma adi akyire enti opirikyi wie no wɔfrɛ water call na obia altar call na obia ama altar call na obia ama no ɔno ara ne nsɔle ma na ɔde ɔmo kɔ no ɔmo ahyɛ da asɔre abɛgyina hɔ sɛne ɛbɛyɛ a ɛbɛhyɛ wɔn a ɔmo wɔ hɔ ne nkuna ne nyinaa ɛyɛ azaa ni nyina nyame betua saa nkrofo ni nyina ka nti no se me ba me kura makatua ɛwɔ me nsam me di bre obi asɛm ye ne nnwuma esitie ɛni nti no saa exams way you must write it wiase afɛfɛdeɛ ɔpɛ coat ɛyɛ shiny ɔhyɛ coat akɛseɛ ɛhyɛ mpaboa akɛseɛ na watimi abɔ watch best $70,000 watch, $100,000 watch. No oye akesesem na odifuo wa bro ni ti na ne trouser no wa pempa mo ho na emia ne hwe ane na ade nyina na odifuo si akonyam no wa yesi okuku seku ni hu yes onyame difuo wa ha saa na omo pe saa na omo pe saa nkrofo we nyina no omo yira wo Nyankopon na ase omo yira e wo Nyame na ase exams. You think say it is easy to become a pastor, a religious leader. I am not just a prophet. I am not just a pastor. I am a survivor. I have survived. I went to school in the hands of the devil and I'm back. I have survived. I am a survivor prophet. And my brother, life is not the way you think it is. Share. Odi ye diwa tem so a. Ye diwa tem kitua bi a na wabamu abu. Onim ye busuafo a ya twamu omo adi. Enso omo sa di atem e wosu ase. Onim omo. Ni nyina no mete a me say praise the Lord. E ka ho bi. Ose bi kura makatua me de bre nipa bia. Obetua obi aka. Ye betua ohene ka. Ye betua nyontini ka. Ye betua osofo ka. Ye betua obi aka se de ni nyuma sete. How di asem tie. Enti obi a opeyen ye life ni bia. Enye Nyankopon na betetew. Onyankopon wontimi ntete ba. Otete wa na wasew. Sa na Onyankopon otie. Enti yen mu bi no ye ko school e wo Lucifer ho. On the training yen. Enti I know Lucifer. Ye wonkrofo bi wo ha. Oma kenkan books e na oma ba betena ho. E na omo kasa. But ye de yankenkan books. E ye Lucifer na tete yen. Lucifer has really dealt with us. We have really been through. Lucifer punished Jesus to an extent that Jesus felt like giving up. When he knelt down and began praying, he says, "Erade enkabeya enkamakruwa we emparme." Ufi say Yesu kanokwa. Eye ahometie yawo amania no namu. And ma Yesu kan sa asem no say Erade we de beya nkamane parme. Me makobi muda. Mako ahometie ni mu bi muda. Enye easy. Enti se minia menye se me sole ya na mawie SS bia na makwakoye degree bi na mete wona me sole ya make me ho se na me ye difo ana se we specialities. Yesu oko school for 4,000 years. He spent 4,000 years fought principalities. Yesu one ahomone akese 7 ni nyina akon. I can give you a quotation from Matthew, Mark, Luke to John. I can give you a quotation to tell you at a particular point where Jesus fought with all the 7 principalities of the world. And you must fight them. You must fight the 7 principalities of this world, or else you can never be crowned. Opese oje ahenche said ye majibiti. You must fight, my brother. You must fight. Intinya say o sole ye na o say me ye osofo. Bible school de obetimi akọ. Eno de it is good. I will never say Bible school is no good. It is good. But you go there and learn certain things. Physical things. They don't teach about spiritual things over there because the leader over there is not spiritual. He teaches you the things about realities, life, 1 + 1, logical reasonings. Then he will teach you, and that is all. Aaron Boateng was saying, please, how would I know Lucifer if I see him? You can't even see him. In this country, it is only 2 prophets. It is only 2 pastors in this country, Ghana. It is only 2 pastors who are qualified to see Lucifer. The whole Ghana with the apostles, the bishops, and whatever. It is only 2 people that are qualified to see Lucifer. Nobody in this world, in this country, Ghana, has the permit, has that power to see Lucifer. Obienu owo Ghana, owo tumi, and now owo home. Safwa say, otimi hulu Lucifer. Baby Lucifer, he lives in a 13th plane. We call that place a transcendental plane. No pastor their so-called archbishops and whoever, nobody is qualified to even see Lucifer. Nobody. It is only 2 pastors in this country who have that capacity, that strength. So Aaron Boate, you don't know him. Bieni Ghana ha wasi wo to me. Huh? Bieni ho Ghana ha wasi wo to me say me mitimi hu Lucifer. Bieni ho. Bieni ho. Eye asofo mienu pe. Ena omo wo saa authority no e wo Ghana ha. So mutimi hu Lucifer. Bieni ho. Omo ma ka nyina no. Eye the subordinate. Omo maka na omo say Lucifer no eye subordinate ene nkwala ahonhom na omo serve under Lucifer ene queen of heaven no omo na omo hu omo na it say if president esoma ni nipa se wonko Ashanti region ana onko UK uko a shows say president na asoma enti obia sole okasa tia Lucifer but onye obia na ehunu Ghana ha obia o say woye ex occultic grandmaster wasachira na okohu Lucifer bia me opatafoɔ me say oboa occultic grandmaster ni bia no wahu Lucifer occultic grandmaster ni bia no wahu Lucifer he Lucifer ho say ushia Lucifer eye nioma mienu pe ne besi obi a obehia Lucifer bia no e wa asase we mu no eye 2 things ena ebesi so please, those pictures and paintings depicting Lucifer, is it true? No, it is never true. It is never true. Enti obi ubehu anu obi abetena social media na so o say me nyankopon ti o say me ben sa na me ko hu Lucifer wo hu Lucifer azan ene ekom na di wo mo azan ene ekom na di wo mo Ghana ha asofo wo Ghana nyina no mienu pe ene ye qualified omutimi hu Lucifer enye obia na ye qualified so otimi hu Lucifer e wo Ghana ha me opatafoɔ na me say even in the olden days those prophets they were not qualified to see Lucifer. Those prophets were not qualified to see Lucifer. How much more these end time pastors? Almost all ya. We emily myself from Google Ghana here. Almost all ya. A common a woman to among kind the politicians and the man who says say this answer no mudino. Omoboa. It is only one person. Our coming ewa Ghana ha. And our matini who Lucifer 1-on-1. Obia ni ho no Ghana ha. Oye 4th dimensional being. Ghana ha. Obia ni ho oye 4th dimensional being. Obia ni ho Ghana ha. Oye 4th dimensional being. Ono si wo tumi si wotimi hu Lucifer. Omo claim say omo ye omo ye occultic grandmasters na ya sachira ye ko hu Lucifer. Ye omo boa eye books and omo kenkan omo nyina ya azan omo nyina boa obie ni ho wo si hu Lucifer. Ghana asofo tu pe me and asofo baako and ye hu Lucifer. Obie hu Lucifer da. Nobody eye ne subordinate. Eye ne subordinate ene omo e wona se ne subject and na muhia wo mo na nye Lucifer. Ushia Lucifer enioma mienu ne besi nipa bi obehia Lucifer bia no enioma mienu ne besi e wa asase we so nipa bi a obehia Lucifer e wa abrabom enioma mienu ne besi e wa asase we so Enti emma obi nada o say ono akọ obiya koduru Lucifer da omwa ani nyina ombo e come na dey wom, don't mind them. Don't mind them. Omu nyina omboa obia ni ho so wan Lucifer da Ghana so fu be ya hwe na wo shia Lucifer how can say easy to see Lucifer, huh? And you think it is easy to see Lucifer as how some of these false people have been claiming on the internet? Or say Alice, or say Papa, please, then who is the dragon? Which dragon are you talking about? Because there are two dragons in the world. There are two dragons in the world. So which of the dragons are you talking about? Or say Papa, please, what of Queen of Heaven? Yes, for Queen of Heaven there, you can see them. Common. Queen of Heaven, it is easy to see Queen of Heaven, but not Lucifer. Sure, can you see Lucifer? Me, when I'm in the house and I do listen to some of these people, I laugh. Ube who will be was say, me benya could do Lucifer level. One a catch level. Alice, please come again. Come again with your question. He says, Papa, please, then who is the dragon? Which dragon are you talking about? A dragon, Ben, I can't answer. Oh, ubetimi do question number. Nama answer man. Enti, mi pacho, said the name can sanity, Madaroma. Yes, Samuel Abuaji, he says, Papa, please, but you said Lucifer works under Queen of Heaven. Yes, Lucifer works under Queen of Heaven. Why? Because Lucifer is a cherub. Lucifer is a cherub. But the reason why Lucifer works under Queen of Heaven is because Queen of Heaven was created as the feminine part of God, who later became greedy and envious of God's position. So we equate Queen of Heaven to God. That is why in the olden days, the ancient Jews, they used to worship Yahweh and then Asherah. If you understand what I'm saying, they used to worship Asherah and Queen of Heaven. Was say, Papa, please, what's the Leviathan position in heaven before he fell? Leviathan has never been to heaven before. Leviathan has never been to heaven before. Obi obeka cho say Leviathan wako heaven bia oboa. Leviathan yankopon bo no o de ni tu ensuom e ho no wada saa free tete onko heaven da. Oh, bring your question. Bring your anamo question in answer. Yempon. Should we close? Alice, he said, Papa, please, the fallen one. Which fallen one? Which of the fallen ones are you talking about? Because we have two dragons. All of them are fallen. Or say, Papa, Nana J, or say, so Papa, what it means is that even those who will make it to heaven will never see God. Of course, not all of them. Who nyame da obi wo ha ne heaven na o kodi nyina no ohun nyame ahimie da ohun nyame ahimie da adentia because the heaven na okọ bi okọ shamayims obi wa okọ shamayims wan kọ shamayims a bi okọ arabot makut ne roboab saa ehọ no na bi awokọ what you say enti at the end of the day no baby out you can see God. What you say you can see God enti nye obia enti obi sole a say okọ heaven me obi wa heaven na okọ no mean value because heaven na okọ no kra no even a principality kra you are not permitted to see them. Into heaven no there are levels and dimensions into obi wa jano na heaven na okọ no obekwa kọ na ma no ho no saa. Papa, please, why is it that people go under the sea and meet Leviathan, yet still they come back alive? Charity, the entire enipa call and say obi obekwa share spirit biano. Two options. It's either say it's a planned thing, and now say it's an impromptu. Enti say obi any to me be di empuni mpua. Two things and they happen. It's either say adwene a ewo wo nipa ni tirimu nti a wo de kɔhwehwɛ saa tumi no ebeba into fulfillment ana say adwene a ewo tumi ni tirimu a wo ye de ya ɔma okwan ma wotimi di hia no ene nso bebam enti obi wa ɔkɔ epoase ɔkɔhwɛ Leviathan na eno kora no ɔmoboa Ghana ha mi hu obi a watimi akɔ Leviathan anim mi hu sofu bi ana konfuo bi ana malam bi a watimi akwa hwehwe Leviathan say Leviathan oni Leviathan no Leviathan mame watakura suro no Leviathan no mame watakura suro no Queen of Coast to kura suro no Leviathan onye tumi a oye small boy onye tumi ketwa enti wo no hwan no ɔte asase so a ɔse wɔno wahu Leviathan hwan ne ka kyerɛ Leviathan no enye easy sɛ obehu Leviathan enye easy sɛ obehu Leviathan obi wɔ hɔ a ɛyɛ books ɛna wakenkan ɛna wate me before say me hu Leviathan before say me hu Leviathan no abra me wie Lucifer exams nyina wie ye no I think say take me say 1 year ansa na me ko hu Leviathan eno eye owemfuo bi na de me ko ho ena me ko hu no na mate ni din but na me hu ni da now before say me ko hu no omo prepare me ankasa tienie before say me ko hu Leviathan omo prepare me mani ko suawe omo betutu ni nyina edi ania eti say a flame of fire Emma me wedie we omo ye ne touchless of fire eti say eja me hunam nyina ye say eja ena omo transfigure me esesa me ansana omo de me ko akire me say we Leviathan we say now after say you return de me back no it take me almost 3 months ansana me timi aba back to normal because na nye easy enti obi ti wono aye no say ni makohia Leviathan one on one a wana ka kire wo hu Leviathan da tina wati ni din say ya kire ni din but uboa hu Leviathan da Ghana ha no ekom wo ha dodo ekom wo Ghana dodo enti obi asole a okinkan book anu abesi so sanity Samuel Abuaji question crying. Let me take it Papa so that's why is man question aya na question ko enti enema bi wo ha obi wo ha odwa nanum keke nanum na odwa ba nyame tumi pa de ohu bi da miminim asofo a omo kasa keke e wo Ghana ha omo gina TV so but omo ye empty omo ni tumi eye dwa na omo dwa omo anum they talk just like that but they don't have any power. Enti enye nsem bia na wotete no media no so a wobeba abegina ho busa aya muhia osei kofi a busa no say before say onya opportunity etimi hu Lucifer no okoduru Lucifer ni munade na oye no busa ohia osei kofi a busa no say okohia Lucifer no ede na Lucifer ye no oteatea no say akwala ne hu se na ne ho po. You think it's easy? Obi wo no mo a you dwa no odwa Ghana de kai Samuel Abwaji, he says, Papa, so that's why it's easy to see Queen of Heaven, but not permitted to see Lucifer. Lucifer there, or no, or your cherubs. Now, cherub no, omo na nyankopon nyansa, any nim die nyina no, omo na hweso. It Lucifer were very intelligent and wise than Obia. So what I say? Your angels ni bi wo ha. Omo ye powerful esen Lucifer. Nanso so Lucifer de nyansa di wo mo so. Sanity. Abna or say, God bless you, Papa. I heard that it is very beautiful underwater and there are cities and people living underwater. Oh, yes, of course. When you go deep down under the sea, there are so many beautiful cities which is being occupied by spirit entities in different shapes and form. Unse, ubi oha na adwene ne say, mame wata kora no, eye tumi ba kope. But mame wata omo ye bebrebe kwa. Mame wata ye bebrebe. Mame wata dodo kora mintimi nkai. Mintimi nkai mame wata dodo. Or say, Papa, please, what are the works of the thrones and powers in heaven? The powers, the thrones are called the ophanims. The thrones are called the ophanims. Now, ophanims, no, omu convey nyankopon edini free one point to the other. Now, ophanims no kura no omu dos omu yebebrebe kwa. Na ophanim no kura no so no, mu untimi hwe nani, na untimi approach no. Untimi approach ophanim kura. Isi na ophanim. Radi nyankopon. Okay, let me put it in. Or see, so please, Satan and Lucifer stay together. Yes. Lucifer can never be Lucifer without Satan. And Satan can never be Satan without Lucifer. Papa, please, what does it mean when we are not dealing with dreams tonight? Nanaji, please, Papa, if humans can stand on their feet upon seeing an angel, is there any entity that can humans see in God's kingdom and stand on their feet? Anybody who tells you that you can't see an angel and stand on your feet, it's total lies. Obi obeka kira say, uhu abofo a untimi nyina wona so no, eye ntro adentia. Abofo ni o mahodo bebrebe. Ye wo abofo a omuti se nipa. What you say? Ye wo abofo omuti se nipa, te se meti hoi e wo. Adenti na uhia na untimi nyina wona so. But ye wo nkrofo bi te say Aralins, Ophanins, Hasmalins, Sankrofon, Bene Elohims, Sa Omo Ahum Kron. Omo na uhu omo a untimi nyina wona so because omo de omo no omo ye extremely powerful, extremely dangerous. Enunti say uye fortune oh say okay kind the book of Ezekiel abra Jacob tumfuo esuma eye leza Yahweh a catcher leza ya we say o meshia eye Ezekiel no one in the common so Oba no hwe ophanims na one wo bae no one ophanims aralim seraphims any cherubs and wo bae enti uhwe the description and the biblical representation of how the ophanims and the aralims looks like as how it is being described in the Bible within the context of what Ezekiel said ubehunu say enye tumi ketwa. What you say? Enye tumi ketwa kra. Enunti sa ahohom ne de uhu bia ubedwane. No kwasem e wo mu ne say sa ahohom no uhu bia ubedwane. Enti uhu sa ahohom na ubon se Nyankopon e wo say obofo no e ka kire wo say ensuro makoa, ensuro mafuna. E wo so kasa asem no wan kasa asem na ehu bebo am wawu. So eno so nanchen Abra the ancient of days. Eye tetentre de wadi enapi. Ni tiri fita na body fita. Okoshia odifo Daniel no. Hwe Bible say at once. Oye mre. What you say? Enunti no sa ahonhom no na omo hu ohu na nye angels na akeka. Angels be to say eyi sa group we aglamo atag bolira dolamo omo ko say Sodom and Gomorrah no ene omo di aduane omo ko Sarah hokodi die ne ade nyina omo nyina omo ye ahonhom abetimi no omo adi nkomo ena powers no omo ye powers no Nyankopon fa powers manipa se Nyankopon de angels no me powers ne be ma pa na we special person e was asase we so na before say Nyankopon de powers e be ma no na we obi a oku e wo interplanetaries any intergalactic dimensions enye asase we so because ahohom ne from powers no omo ntimi ntra asase we so omo tumi na ekura omo no e boro asase so what you say enti bebre ntena asase we so na emom omo a Nyankopon taade omo manipa eye archangels abofo mpanyimfo te say Michael omo ni abofo mpanyimfo omo heaven omo buru 10 million bebre be kwa but the emom nimu no eye Michael enti let me leave it there menka obi adi nkyerem sa abofo ni de Nyankopon timi di bi ma but a bit to say principalities, a bit to say powers, a bit to say thrones, a bit to say dominions. Sa ahohom omo ho odinti Nyankopon fa ne manipa. Opa ye de omo mfa ma. Say Onyankopon de sa ahohom ne be ma wo a na o ye special among specials. So what you say? Ansa na Nyankopon de ama. Enti it's not easy say Nyankopon be ma powers aben wo da. You can say intergalactic and I say interplanetary. If you hold one, say the power animal, any principality the man at this all called dimensions, which is Mercury, Venus, Mars. Now, now obey Juma into your friend intergalactic and interplanetary. Or more a honor obey Juma to say, Oshe obi to say Enoch Onyankopon emano powers, or man seraphims, or mano cherubs, or mano aralims, or mano hasmalims, or mano isms. Sa to me, because of say Nyankopon edema Enoch no. Na Enoch na juma pa no eni asase we so. Enti asase we so no. Omtina ombefa Enoch ede ne koya. Okon nante first heaven, second heaven, third heaven, fourth heaven, fifth heaven, sixth heaven, seventh heaven, eighth heaven, ninth heaven. Eko ya koduru 10th heaven. Baby Onyankopon te no. Enti na Enoch kokoduru ho no. Se ho no ye frɛ no interplanetary any intergalactic zones. Eho to me near the man. Na asase we so de. Mo problems no. Anye sika yare. Anye sika yare. Ene abosom enketenkete bi te se antoa mo ne brekunemu ne sankrofo no omu nyina ye small gods omu sa omu ye enyame nketwa omu wasase we so ebi mu ye angels ebi mu ye a few entities and a principalities e wasase we so one the person metro sanity Reverend Adako and the 4 living creatures. Oh yes, 4 living creatures and so also they are there. They are there, but onyankopon fa ne manipa. Or the bema wa oyi kire oketua bi. Ade anyankopon betimi di ama oye the 7 spirit. Onyame ahonhom nso no. Ene onyankopon aniwa nso. But aniwa no so no, you ma hodo bebre. Upa nyankopon aniwa na, upa ebetimi ama obebrebe. Ebetimi ama obebre as dodo a obetimi akari. Ebetimi ama dodo a obetimi akari. Metimi ama wani bebrebe okra untimi ode yede eni no de beyede bebrebe kwa untimi enti you go there or say papa please, so in the kingdom of God does they have time and days? No. God lives in a timeless world. Or say, please, was Atlantis? Yes. Japhet. Or say, Atlantis real. Obi obeka to say Atlantis. And as Atlantean na real bi omboa. Omo ye beings. Ebi ye Anunnakis. Anunnakis, you know. Anunnakis ni omudoso me ba ma me kire mu ebi wa ha ma me hwese me hu omo oi yewo Anunnakis no say Anunnakis ni Tiamat Gagamu sankrofo no group group omu nyina hye Jacob tumfo ase one kreti omo me ba se me hwese me nyama wa enim where you in eni ha ka me de maamo ewo ma yi fufuro right yewo interplanetary gods sa interplanetary gods no uko baby to say Mercury, Jupiter, Newton, Venus, Mars sa no omo nyame a omo tetetete ho omo so no omo abode ewo ho ane ye wo intergalactic ye ka say intergalactic galactics ni galaxies, the galaxies in the world over billions of galaxies ye wo omo ho enti intergalactic gods no ebinie ye from ebi na mo frɛ no Anunnakis no. The Anunnakis are never Yahweh. Omo ye intergalactic gods. Ye wo ebi to say Absu. Ye wo Tiamat. Ye wo Mumu. And ye wo Gagagigu. Ye wo Gagagigu. Enti ye wo the Igigi. Sa Igigi no a galactic world. A hona sa ahonhom na ye from ye can say Anunnakis no ho no omo wo what you say sa galaxies no ye from the galactic world no and sa tumi na ye frɛ no Anunnakis no ho no omo wo na sa Anunnakis no omo tipen ene omo nkrofo a omo no omo ye tipen no ye frɛ bi Tiamat omo ye group sa Tiamat no ono omo panyin no ono na ye epo ensuo bi a enkyini wo mu bia no tumi na ohweso no group na omo ye saa ne ma no onyankopon bo omo ye frɛ omo Tiamat now ye wo fresh water sa fresh water fo no ye frɛ omo Abzu so what you say ena omo create earthquakes ne bohu ya say asase wo so volcanic eruptions ne ubohu yesi bibi abeste ye was our groups no almost no ye from mumu mu ena ye wo gagagigu omo de ye from gagagigu fo no omo ye primordial gods ye from primordial gods enti gagagigu no ebi na ye leviathan na oda asase ase na Job chapter 42 eka no asem omo ye gagagigu omo ni Anunnakis for na what the same dimensions un say Anunnakis no omo free galaxia your friend igigi into intergalactic world hono say wunya sal to me na ye na ya nya sal to me no de me pa metimi akọ dimensions bia me pe but sal to me ye mfa manipa before say nyankopon de be ma said the odi to me ni ma Enoch odi to me ni ma Moses odi to me no e ma eye Jesus Christ no before say nyankopon de be ma no na we are special e was asase we so enti ye mfa manipa enti ye wo dimensions bebrebe e wo ewu nyina so embe Jacob tumfo sanete enti o hwe anzu ni enlew enki onso omu nyina no omu ye anu ye frɛ anu ohene tumi kɛseɛ na ɔyɛ nyanko wɔte sɛ ɔno ɔyɛ igigifoɔ nyankopɔn no ɔno yɛ frɛ no ansu enti wɔyɛ enlew ni enki papa dimensions saa ahohom wei no omu nyinaa reporto de matumi foforɔ ansa na tumi ne de charge akɔpɔ great Yahweh enti obi ti wa no keka ne nsɛm bi a onim de ɔka ati ase obi wa onim de ɔka or say hey papa please all these spirits fighting against humanity and Christians. No, it is total lies. Total lies. Sir, your spirit entities be okra omu nim se nipa your body be a friend in nipa. There are spirit entities out there who doesn't even recognize humanity. Okay. Quadrupia Santi was so Papa, what are the problems in the intergalactic planet that those angels go to solve? Okay, the Etienne say, Sa galactic world one said ye wo kwadwo utiwe utimini bia oyere ana oba ana utimini obinya ntokwa no saa na eye kura ye frɛ no ingigi saa igigifo no ntokwa timisi ho tiamatfo ntokwa timisi wo mumu ni gagagigu omo ntokwa timisi wo mumu enti gise Jacob tumfo soma amom ko restore peace so what as here enti omo ho enti yen said ye sorry a na yesu no awu say yen ye problem nyina ye ekom ubohu say kristoni etetea eye kom any domestic issues no eye say ne yire etete no ni kunu etete no ne babi etete no anane maami bi ni papa bi etete no eye domestic issues ana say manyini adurumi mpanyin fie so you can say me worry enti awurade emwa me na me worry saa nioma we nyina no eye domestic issues a eno emfa nyankopon ho se obe worry o se wo worry o eno enye nyankopon asem Jacob tumfo onye nasem eye asasi su ha nioma yemfa nko heaven yemfa saa nioma ne ma heaven what you say saa nioma ni nyina no enuntina abra omosoma great Yahushua ema ne ba asase wi so no obeka kire mu amwa asase su se efri eda John the Baptist ehya asese o kanyame asem no enipa emusa nyankopon ho bibia ada adentia efri se de mi odifo opatafuo minim ene de mi kura mu ewa asase wi so no se me kase mi bie so akire wa oyem be hyew na o hye se obi akotena Atwea Mountains na obo aware ho mpae se Awurade yi Obama no Awurade yi bema ma no a na wahunu se we oni ani suade hunu saa nneɛma na wo sere no ɛno enko Nyankopɔn asu Nyankopɔn kora on wasting time na onye day ontie because saa nneɛma no lesser entities bi te say powers, principalities, archangels, angels omuna ebetie saa mpaebɔ no na oma respond to you na nye the great Yahweh eno de no mfa no saa netie now wohwɛ sɛ imagine say obi akogina saw them na ɔbɔ mpaye ɔse wɔpɛ American visa ɔpɛ Canadian visa ɔpɛ so ɔkɔ Germany eno na Nyankopɔn mo ano na ɔnkɔ ɔkogina nyame anim nyina no eno na ɔhwehwɛ saa nneɛma we no sɛ wobɛkɔ America wobɛkɔ Canada eno emfa nyame ho eno de enye nasem sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ wotena Canada enkɔbɛm ya wo Canada but ɔpɛ sɛ baabi a wo no ɛhɔ na yɛ wo destination ti ene wama wa ayede wabɛtena ha it is a wo presa wo kɔ China eno yɛde onipa afam eniema ene yɛde yɛ sɛ wodi usika o statement on krata obi bia yɛ complete na emom de tie ne sɛ ɔbɔfoɔ ebi bɛba mu a na bia o maame bi o papa bi o fie tumi bi bosum bi o kɔ embassy hɔ a obegyina kwan mu a na odi nkwasi asɛm bia na wɔde black magic any evil spell na ɔde afa w'anim nti wokɔ ha ne yɛmfa ma wo nti ɛno na yɛba bɛ clear saa negative energy ne firi hɔ na wokɔ a yɛde o visa anaasɛ o bibi nti ɔsɔfoɔ bɔ mpa yɛ ma wa saa na tie on the person chiro ɛno nti deɛ tie ne sɛ before saa hwɛ okenkan the book of Enoch a hwɛ tumi a Onyankopɔn ɛde ma ɛyɛ Enoch na Enoch edi ehene ɛwɔ asase we so na ɔsa akɔ soro kɔdi hene wɔ hɔ na ade na wo de wo mpɛ saa tumi ni bi so ati ase now hwɛ Moses ɛkɔ soro abra Nyankopɔn ɛsoma ɛyɛ Jafa dum ni sɛ ɔmra mefa Moses mra na ɔnkyea no na ɔne ni nkɔmɔ no hwɛ de yɛ yo abra Jafa dum ni firi soro ɛba no ɔde abɔfoɔ nko 30,000 abɔfoɔ nko 30,000 saa abɔfoɔ 30,000 15,000 ɛwɔ Moses nsabunkum 15,000 ɛwɔ ne nsanifa ɛne ɔmo guardi Moses ɛde ne kɔɔyɛ ɛma Moses timi kɔkyeakyea empanyimfoɔ akɛse a ɔmo wɔ heaven onyame ahimie wɔ timi kɔkyeakyea wɔn enti just imagine saa privilege we nyinaa wɔ hɔ but wo no wobɔ mpaya wo se Awurade ɔma wɔ American visa ɔma wo deɛ visa minyawe enti ɛno no sɛ wobɛnya green card wobɛnya wo papers ni nyinaa no ɛyɛ subjected to human will and human condition what you say it's about only 30% of it and they are subjected to evilness and I say the realms of the spirit they are nyinaa no ɛyɛ onipa hyehyɛyɛ ɛyɛ nipa na de passport to buy ɛnyɛ nyame ɛyɛ nipa na twerɛ Bible ɛnyɛ nyame ɛyɛ nipa na yɛ phone ɛnyɛ nyame it is any money nyinaa no ɛyɛ subjected to human will so dem what them try no enti nneɛma bi wɔ ha my dear nneɛma nyɛ easy or say please Prophet Opatafuor Kone or say please do our worship and praises go straight to God. No, our worship and praises does not go to God straight. It passes through sequence of processes before it gets to Nyankopɔn ho. And yes, o ka say o koto nwom na Nyankopɔn atiu and there be that and kra de onye bi da. What you say? And kra de Nyankopɔn onye bi da. Na emom o hwa ase say wo ye worship a. Now ye wo angel a o mesoma no. Na waba befa empaibɔ ne de kɔ. O de empaibɔ ne kɔ a. Empaibɔ no anase enwom na awoto no. Ebefa gate mako 19. Saa gate 19 no emu baako na befa. enti obi wo ha auto nwom no na osu ha enti say esu na wo de to nwom na e wo say bofo ne be fa enwom na wo de fa the gate of sorrow or the fa the gate of sorrow mu a na or the a or the bekwa koma powers no now powers no e wo ne ma on beye eni enipa o mo de bekwa koma no na honhom a bekwa ko hira so na wate ho identity because obi wo ha nipa na o to nwom no ebi wo ha ne ho ofin no ase ne say obi wo ha ne ho nte obi wo ha na duane a odie ne ho nte obi wo de ne tekyerema sebi mpreduasa o de ne tekyerema akotafre sebi obaase na wasa akogina wasa okoto nwuma ma awurade obebo waso ndi saa wa no we no efi wo tekyerema so odo tekyerema akokisi wo baabi bi wa ye bema odo tekyerema akokisi wo baabi saa wo ba no so no omu ade efi wo no because emu ade honhom a queen of heaven to me now do tekyerema akotafre ye saa nioma we nyina ye fi enti woto nwom na entimi nko Nyankopon ho straight da enti angel ne befa na wodi akoma powers no na powers ne de ko ebekọ saa ansana akoduru empanyimfo pa anim na omo hyira so a empire no ebetene ayete se perfume anase incense na omo de akọ the 10th heaven e de akosi the 7th realm eye the robo enti omo de koto aforibuchi ane so a afei enena empire no ebetu hwa e wo Nyankopon anim te se wadware awie na de perfume agu ho no saa na tie eno na Onyankopon ehwia ema na koma atenenefo mpaye ene Onyankopon ohwia ema na koma eto ne yam ema na nigye awie ne peye nanso nya se mekogina atwea mountains mekogina nwuram baabi me ye worship me ye we ufiti ya na worship no na Nyankopon sane o mada because efi wo ye mu bebre ho enti efi wo ye ho obi wo ha ne mpaye na oboro bofo kra entie no enti ebeche ansa na o ma be peke mpaye no na I go through process go through process enti obi wo ho so a se Nyankopon te wo ho dia se Nyankopon te nipa no ho dia ene eno no ombe connect o voice no connect o voice no e de must enunti na obi a Nyankopon ate wo ho no se wo ye nyontuni na Nyankopon te wo ho a omo de ani etise nipa ani but eno no etise eja omo de baba besi otakyerema so saa ani no omo de baba besi otakyerema so no ene ma o connection straight to the throne room enti wo kasa Jacob tumfote so what I say eno de umpaye wonyom to endi lie so ekọ straight enti efi ba wo ho a na asizi na oma befa na oma ko dware obi wo ha omu dware idware ho nyina awie ansa na yate wo ho yakofa aduhwam na oma kosere papa no de aduhwam agu ho agu nsem na ye de abegu so na wo ho ayehwam na watimi ase afata o ka se Nyankopon aheni mu no omo ye bibia akwa de mu nim wa asase we so e different alati bacho mabre me koda o question bi abetimi aba or say papa please when the astronaut nyameke or say papa please when the astronaut go to the moon and other such places what do they actually see? I am telling you today that no astronaut has ever gotten to the moon. Make odifo opatafuo me say. Obie nu a watimi akọ moon ni so. Obie nu a watimi akọ moon ni so. Nipa bie ni ho watimi akọ moon ni so. Sa nkwasi asem na America fo keka no. Omo boa. Eye the ice wall. Ehonom ko gina twitwa sa video no. America scientists bie ni ho no ma watimi akọ moon ni so. Me odifo opatafuo na me ka kire. Obie ni ho a watimi akọ awia no so. Omo boa obi obeka se wako mu ni so bia oboa omo ntwantro wo betimi akomu ni so na wo mu no kra no ono America scientists say wako mu ni so obi ti asase we so say ono wako mu ni so omo abodam omo yale omo calculations nye papa obi si wako awia ne so me bacho me tia mu nyina mo ma bai nyame adoma e kina kwasi e be hia why emu obi na ada mu obi na ada nyame so papa wo ho hwehwe nyame so mpa ekira kwan or say then how did they know the measurement? So do you believe the measurement they give it to you? Do you think it's an accurate thing? Okay, I say can say maminti wonu broni say okomu no so broni bi wasase we so obi komu no so o yale papa America fo nkwase asem no mokeka. Charity manu Charity say papa please, is it true that if couples die they can meet in heaven and continue? Charity oya aboa pa oya aboa ombetimi uwa usani ukunu eko continue o heaven na makope de ho e so Charity wo pese yen sanre wo ho ade na Charity ho ye wo de sa Charity dey so anya papa me do attempt sa adi se wo sa kira wo Charity wo pese wo sa akọwe yen san akọwe wo heaven wo Charity wo God bless you all. We shall meet tomorrow. Hey, Charity, ready now go ball. Abna. Abna. Ay abna o se ko ye doggy star e wo Nyankopon ahini enti Nyankopon adana Nyankopon e dwene ne ho no Nyankopon beti na bibi ye you killing me baby soft and slow hard hey Nyankopon ada fa adwene de Charity we ye no ho no bye bye